Hey, welcome back to Teaching Tuesday. I like doing hair transplants. First off, it looks great, and it's cool to watch the little guys grow. It's like when you plant a garden, you come back and you look, and there they are. They're growing. This picture is 2 weeks afterwards, and this was about 2,000 hair grafts that were planted. 97, 98% of those guys survive the surgery. It takes about pretty much all day. Can't touch it for about 3 days, and then you can start showering gently, pouring soapy water on. Shower normally at 10 days. Around 2-3 weeks, some of the hairs are going to fall out. It used to be that that all fall out at 2 weeks and then not start to grow back until 4 months. But now with PRP, we'll inject PRP at the time of the grafting, and it makes maybe about half of them stay in early on, so you don't have to go through this phase where you've lost them all before they start to regrow. But it's just really cool to see these people back, and you look and it's like game changer.